Today we have a lot of animals. Let's learn their names one by one. The first animal is a scaly shark. This is a shark. A shark is a very dangerous animal. A shark. The next one is alligator. This is alligator. A clownfish. This is a clownfish. A clownfish. A blue shark. This is a blue shark. A shark. A penguin. This is a penguin. A pufferfish. This is a pufferfish. A king crab. This is a king crab. A seahorse. This is a seahorse. A pufferfish. This is a pufferfish. A shark. This is a shark.